Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix country or region option not showing in App Store. If you're using any iPhone and you're having the issue that your country or region option is not showing, so let's see how can you easily fix the issue. So the very first thing, you have to make sure that you have a stable and strongest internet connection, and you have to also make sure that your VPN is not connected, or if you have any connected VPN, try to disconnect with that. Then you have to open your settings, go for general, go for software update, and here you have to make sure that you haven't any pending software update available, or if you have anyone, try to update your software, and then go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your passcode, and it will reset all of your network setting. It will not delete your data, so you can easily try this step. Then scroll down until screen time, and you have to make sure that you have disabled all the restrictions from here. Then you just have to go back, and here you have to open settings, go for apps, go for app store, scroll down, select personalized recommendation, and select clear app usage data, and select clear option. Then you just have to go back, open your app store, and then tap on your profile in the top right corner, select your account, and here you will get the option of country or region. Or if you're still having the same issue, you have to open your settings, tap on your Apple ID, and here select media and app purchases, select view account, and from here you can easily change your country or region, or you can get the country or region option, or if you are still having the same issue. So now what you have to do, you have to open your browser, and you have to search for support.apple.com, or you can search for Apple Support. Then select your iPhone or iPad or any Apple device if you're using. Then scroll down and look for the option of Get Support. Select Start Now option here, and here you just have to select the More option. Then select App Store. Then select Continue. Then scroll down, select Get More Help. Tap on Call Us, and here you will get the number of Apple Support teams. So whenever you want to call, you just have to dial the number and get official help from Apple Support team. So in this way, you can easily fix if your country or region option is not showing in your App Store. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.